Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rehman. In this video, we'll be discussing about what is blockchain technology, how jobs and business can utilize blockchain. We'll also look into the actual implementation of blockchain technology and much more. I'll try to make this very easy to understand. So without further ado, let's get started. Blockchain is a technology that can be used to create secure, transparent, and permanent records. The original use case of blockchain were in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. But today there are many other applications for this technology. In this video, we will explore what blockchain and how it works. Blockchain is a technology. It isn't a company. It's not a platform and it's not a product. Blockchain is just an underlying technology that can be used in many different ways to create solution for anything from logistics to finance and beyond. Blockchain technology is going to be at the heart of future digital economy, and its potential impact on the society has been compared by some people with that which was brought about by the internet or even electricity. A blockchain is a decentralized system. It's a distributed ledger that records transactions between two parties effectively and in a verifiable and permanent way. Blockchain consists of blocks of data which are generated by miners using cryptography validations or mathematical computations. Each block contains information about its previous block, including its hash. By linking different blocks together into one large chain, it becomes nearly impossible to alter data on the blockchain without also altering all the subsequent blocks on the chain, something that requires immense computer power to do so. This makes blockchain extremely secure, far more so than traditional database like those used by banks or governments, which accounts for this highlighted security through the use of multiple copies stored in multiple locations around the world. Blockchain can execute smart contracts. A smart contract is a computer program that runs as written and cannot be censored or tampered with, thereby eliminating the need for a legal system. Smart contracts are not subject to the same legal systems as regular contract because they are coded in computer programming languages which are considered immutable. So if you have a smart contract that say you will pay me 100 rupees if I take out trash every day, but I don't do it one day and then try to say but that wasn't included in our original agreement, the answer will be something along the lines of no. Smart contracts allow two parties to exchange assets without necessarily trusting one another because they are automatically verified and enforced agreements. Smart contracts allow two parties to exchange assets without necessarily trusting one another because they can automatically verify and enforce agreements made between them. The blockchain is an immutable public ledger that records transactions across many computers simultaneously in a decentralized manner. This design enables transparency and trustworthiness between the transacting parties, and this prevents double spending on digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Blockchain application goes beyond cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is a decentralized system that can execute smart contracts. Smart contracts are programs that can run as written without the possibility of censorship or tampering, meaning that they can be used to exchange assets without necessarily trusting each other. Furthermore, they will be only executed once all the requirements have been met and cannot be changed thereafter. For example, you can use smart contract to sell a house using an escrow service where money is held by intermediary until the seller and the buyer confirms the agreement on the transacting terms. A lot of people are scared about hearing cryptocurrency and blockchain, but blockchain isn't cryptocurrency and it is useful technology that will be the heart of the future digital economy. Blockchain isn't a new technology. It has been around for almost 10 years now and was created by Satoshi Nakamoto, who published a paper in 2008 describing its idea for using blockchain to create bitcoins. Blockchain is a decentralized system that allows people to exchange things without having to use intermediary like banks or centralized institutes. Instead of relying on someone else's word as a proof that they have done something, like when you send money through PayPal, Blockchain uses cryptography, which means that every transaction is recorded permanently on millions of computers and around the world. Blockchain uses cryptography, which means that every transaction is recorded permanently on millions of computers around the world. So everyone can see them at the same time. So concluding this video, blockchain is a technology that allows people to make transactions without the need of the third party. There are many applications for this technology, from cryptocurrency to supply chain management systems. It's possible that in the future we'll see many more use cases of blockchain. I am particularly excited for this future. So this was pretty much it for this video. See you soon in the next one.